Now this is the second card I'm going to do. This one in the picture, it shows you "So glad we are friends." They've done it in like a blue colour, which I'm not going to bother with. I think I'm going to go with lovely lipsticks. I think it matches this part well. So I'll have that there for you too. And remember, you'll be able to do all your stamping. You'll be going home, all you're going to need when you go home is a bit of glue. So with this one you get a lovely trellis. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, I mean, it really is beautiful. You get these lovely die cut flowers. They're all just pop out of the green, which I've done for you. And some of them are solid, some of them are the insides come out. I've kept the wee insides for you because I think they look like lovely wee leaves on their own, which you can use on another project at a later date. So I'll pop them in a wee envelope for you. You get 3 flowers to use on this, and you'll also add a wee gem or whatever you want into the centre. And they've also wrapped a wee bit of the Grapefruit Grove stuff around, so we'll see what that looks like. We're going to start off, fold your card in half, and we're going to add the backing, or a bit of glue to the backing of this. Again, you don't need to go mad, just take your time and put a wee bit around the edges. I think just around the edge would probably be enough for this. I don't want to mess it up with my stickiness. So pop that on where you think it should go in the center there, and just seal it around the edges nicely. Now any looseness will be held on with your sentiment sitting there. When you put dimensionals on the back, that'll hold it in place for you. So we'll do our stamping now. Same stamp, "So glad we are friends," which is a really nice one. I think you definitely would use that for somebody. Now if you prefer, you can just make yourself a whole bunch of happy birthday cards. It's entirely up to you. I have lots of happy birthday sentiments. Just use them for whatever you think you're going to use the cards for. Make them useful, unless you're going to gift them to somebody or sell them at a craft fair. It'll not matter. So just line that up in the center of that best you can. I never get these straight. There you are. "So glad we are friends." Set this out of my road. Let that dry. I think that's nice, a nice colour with that, isn't it? It does stands out nicely. You could either go with the Grapefruit Grove or that, so that'll be another thing for your own taste. So I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of that now. And before we stick it down, we're going to pop on the leaves behind there so the stick and catch. So just do about 5 dimensionals. And take your wee papers off. Now, we're going to be sticking that in the middle maybe. So we want our leaves to pop sort of one there. We could actually use a wee bit of wet glue on it if you wanted. I think I'll actually do that. I think I'm going to stick it on. No, I want to add, oh goodness, don't do that. I want to add this, but I'm not sure if I want to go the same way. What do you think yourselves? Just wrap it around your fingers, cut yourself a bit off, and try it. See what you think. Just play about with it. I sort of have it bunched up behind it. I sort of am a more uniform person. I'm not sure if I'm going to like that or not, but we'll give it a go and see what happens. Pop that on. I'll do like the bits sticking out, so oh, don't put it on upside down. This is a bit feathery, isn't it? Now I'll tell you what, I'm going to stick it to this. Maybe a better way of doing it. So you have a stick with a roll of it coming out there, and that end coming out over there. That's showing a bit of it. So pop that in the middle. Give it a wee press so it catches. So now, get this. You have to bear with me. I haven't actually, this is my first time making these up, so I'm sort of learning as I go. Or deciding as I go. There's no learning in it, honestly. So a wee taste of glue on the tip. And just add it in where you want it. Just slip it under so that it's sticking out. And press it there. Hopefully that'll take. And I want a solid one with it. If you have to cut any off just to get it in there, you could. I think I will just cut a wee tail off there. Pop a bit of glue on. And that should give you more room to get that in under there. So it's not sticking out too far. Just doesn't like sticking, sure doesn't. So that's those. We actually have room for another wee bit down there. Oh, it's kept in my sleeve. I think I'll cut a wee bit off that one too. Now this will be entirely up to you. You decide how deep you want that to go. I'll just mix it up with that one. That's not too bad. So we'll go around the other side now. We'll put the biggest one again. I want it cut about there. Now keep your wee snippets because you can pop these in as well. Don't want it sticking out too much. You want your card to go into your envelope. So give it a good press for that glittery card to catch. Cut that one right down. I think I've got a solid one instead of a different one. So we'll use that wee off cut in the meantime. Pop it in there. Come on, stick. It has to get down through your trellis. So it needs a bit of time. Or it needs more glue. It is deep in there, like so. You do have to allow it to get in there. I'm making this look hard and it honestly isn't. I think that's sticking there. So we've got 3 leaves at either side, and now we want to add our wee flowers. So we definitely want dimensionals on the back of these now that I'm covered in glue. I'll just pop that so the wee leaf is going up onto your flower. And then with another 2 for up there. And hope these stick to that. Right, so you could actually use either these wee things, which you're not going to see very well, so I'll definitely go with those. So these are already got sticky glue on the back of them, so they're just ready to pop on. And there you have it. Same again, continue through your inserts and maybe stamp. I'll have maybe wee mats cut for you, which you see what you fancy doing yourselves. So that's that one, and as I say, you have those wee bits, so if you wanted to trim any wee notches off them, and you can actually add them in for more, you know, they do actually look nice. I think I'll just stick them on out of the road. No point in wasting them. Just make sure and give it plenty of glue, because it really needs it with the trellis and the glitter now, you know. That will take, does take very quick, so another wee one laying there. There we go. It just needs a good push because it's so far up between the thickness of the trellis and the thickness of your thing. It does take, if you just have patience, which I don't seem to have today. There, I think it has taken. So what do you think? I think it's pretty nice. Like, it's really posh wee card. I mean, the cards you buy like that in the shop, you don't even get sentiments in. You can just write something, or you can stamp directly onto that. I'll see what you have to say when you get here. So that's it. That's another wee one, and you just do them all up and put them in your nice wee box that you have. And the box is just so pretty. Wouldn't it make a great gift for somebody who maybe likes to send cards but can't get out to the shops to buy them? Just push the bottoms. Oh, it's so sturdy. I can hardly move it myself. So, look, it's a great wee package. So, pop them in. And you'll have a whole wee box. So, put the other one over there. 2 down and another, what, 14 to go. Can't get it, I haven't enough in there. But there you have it. I think it's pretty good. I'd be well pleased with that if I got given it. So I'll be back in a minute with the next one.